Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make multiple Google Docs into one PDF. Okay. Example, see this document doc on, document 2, document 3. Okay. Then first of all, download document on, and secondly, download document 2, multiple document. Then go to web page merge PDF. I already opened this. You open merge PDF or use this name. Okay. Then upload file, PDF file. See this 3 PDF, hold shift and upload 3 PDF file. And now see this page 1, page 2, page 3. Then finish processing. Okay. Then download and export as Word docs, Excel, PowerPoint, image. Okay. See this page 1, page 2, page 3. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.